Hello, my name is Guillermo. I am a ServiceDesk manager and I'm here to review ServiceDesk Plus now. And I give it a 5 out of 5 review. And for more, please click below. Some of the other products we tried to review before we went to ServiceDesk Plus was a product called ServiceNow. And we went also with in-house products that we built. Now, we started off as a small company, and when we started using in-house products, of course, it was great. It worked, because we built it in-house, and it did what we needed to. But as we started to realize that we needed to expand as our business grew, we looked at other products out there. One of the top ones out there was ServiceNow, and while their product was very refined and easy to use, we found out that the cost point of the product and usability of it was a little bit too much out of our reach. And that's when Service Desk Plus came to us with their product. And we come to realize not only was it affordable, but it was scalable for what we needed. And that became extremely valuable as we grew as a company. This product grew with us, and it allowed us to not only keep track of our environment from a ticketing standpoint, but it allowed our service desk to grow with our company and give us the ability to give our end users the support they needed. One of the biggest factors that we went with choosing Service Desk Plus was the price point. What we learned is a lot of ITSMs out there, they provide similar things and similar capabilities of it. But what we come to find out is that the biggest thing you have to realize is price point. When you're spending tens of thousands of dollars on a product to help our IT service desk, we had to look at and say, hey, what is it that we need in here and how much can we really afford to put on that? So when we looked at other different products, we found out that the price point was astronomically high for what we needed. And while ServiceNow was a product that had all the features we wanted, it had great customer support on it, the pricing was just hugely different. So we went up to Zoho and said, hey, look, this is what we're doing. We're growing from this number of company and we're expanding at a very high rate. How can we get the service we need from an IT standpoint to help our end users out and not kind of break the bank at the same time on it? So Zoho kind of came up to us and says, here, look, this is our product portfolio. This is what we have to offer. This is where we're going to with our solutions. And also, we come to find out too that they told us, hey, here's our price point for it. And we kind of took a step back and realized that not only are we getting the service that we want, but the features we need and the support we need for the fraction of the cost of some of the bigger ITSMs out there. And at that point, it became a no-brainer that, let's go to this product here. It'll grow with us and save us a lot of money in the end. The onboarding process for us deploying ManageEngine was actually pretty straightforward and actually really simple. They came up to us with two different products. They had an on-premise solution and a cloud-based solution. And as we were starting off, we said, let's do it, on-prem. And it was very simple. We had to spin up a couple servers, install their application. And honestly, it was pretty fast in how the startup was. Integration was smooth with our Active Directory and the way our organization is structured. So we were actually up and running within a week. And I would say probably the biggest struggle we had was just teaching users how to use the system as far as submitting tickets. Our IT department actually latched onto it pretty fast because it's a very simple user interface on it from an IT standpoint too, which made the deployment of it extremely simple. And what was even better about it is that they offer a cloud solution now, which is what we're in the process of migrating to. And that in itself, too, is extremely simple. They have a simple migration tool that puts our data from an on premise solution into the cloud and allowed us to continue our productivity without any downtime and also allowed us to grow even faster, too, as our business did. So I tell people that, if you're starting off in a company and you're looking at an IT support system out there, I would tell you, first of all, set your price point. Know what your budget is, know where you're going at, because this is going to help you narrow down the solutions that are out there and help you pick out the right product that's out for you. There's nothing worse than going out into looking at different softwares and not knowing where your price point is. It can get you in kind of a whirlwind of different products that are out there. So I definitely say start off with your price point, know where you are with that, and then look at the features that you need. There's a lot of products out there that offer dozens and dozens of solutions for your IT service desk and IT department in it. But you have to kind of tell yourself, okay, what is it that I need? What are the core features that are looking at on it? And once you've kind of got your core features, you got your price point that are added, and also your user base too. Who are your clientele out there that need this kind of support? That'll help you narrow down these solutions to find the right product that'll actually fit you.